Hey guys, this is Snan from SortLogics, and in this video, I'm going to show you a proper procedure that what we are doing. That we are generating the leads from Facebook survey. We have put a survey on a Facebook page. We are getting the leads from there, but we need to segregate those leads depending upon their state, depending upon their the volume the clients have been purchased from us. So we need to segregate the leads depending upon various factors. So we have a set of workflows. uh, Let me show you that as well. So this is the first workflow. In this workflow, we are just checking that if someone has put a wrong state name, so we are correcting that by the use of ChatGPT. So we have trained the ChatGPT to do so. And secondly, we are checking that if that lead has been already sent, because this is a sensitive issue, we cannot resend the leads. That's illegal. Secondly, we need to check the social security numbers there. So if that is not there, the lead is a bogus lead. So these are the two critical checks that we are applying over here. So after making sure the lead is not bogus, lead is ready to distribute, we are heading towards the distribution. So in this workflow, we are assigning the lead to a user. There are various users, and right now we are assigning them equally. Then we are checking a condition over here. The lead is not sent, no SSN again. That the SSN is present. SSN stands for Social Security Number. And then there's a condition from where we are checking that if the assigned user it matches and the lead limit. So for example, let's go to Emily Grace. So from there, if the lead limit is not zero for Emily Grace and the assigned user is Emily Grace, so then this condition will get true, and this will head towards a new workflow. We have separated or segregated the workflows, splitted the workflows just to make sure that the workflows work efficiently, because GHL recommends this to break the workflow into pieces so that they will work seamlessly. So now we will head towards the Emily Grace personal workflow, in which when the lead lands over here, first of all, the condition checks the lead is not sent, because this is the most crucial thing, that if the lead is got resent, they can sue us. So this is the most crucial thing. So after that, the condition is being checked that the states that Emily Grace has asked us for, this lead should be in those states. Secondly, the most important thing is the lead limit, because if we oversend the leads, we will lose the money. So we are making sure that the lead limit is not zero, limit is not negative, or even not empty. In all the cases, we will lose the money. So we are checking that. After that, we are putting a math operation to subtract one lead, because we are sending one lead to Emily Grace, so the balance will decrease, and then copying that lead to her sub account and then adding a tag. So this is how we are, you can say, distributing the leads. So next scenario over here is, for example, let's suppose from this condition, the leads does not match any of the states. So then there's no uh, you can say we can't send that lead to Emily. So we'll have to do other way around. So we'll have to remove the assigned user, and the lead will be added to another workflow which is called pending leads. So what we are doing in the pending leads, we are checking the condition. First of all, that lead is not sent, no SSN, and then if that we are trying it one more time, that if the try count is less than one, we are again sending them to distribution. So that lead will be assigned to some other user, and that can send seamlessly. But if after one try where the lead is still not sent, then we will add that lead to target leads, and this is another workflow as well. And this is the last try from where we can send the leads. So in this workflow, we have set the clients, those who have the more volume on the top number, and descending order, who has a lesser volume is at the last. So what this workflow will do, this workflow will check each and every client states. So whichever clients has is matching the state of this lead, the lead will be sent to that client, and his number will be decreased, his volume will be updated. So this all of this process must be done in within the time from of 2 minutes or 3 minutes, because after that the lead will be considered as a I was saying that this process should be completed within 2 to 3 minutes, because after that, if that lead is being distributed after the generation of its lead after 5 minutes, so that lead will not be considered as a good lead. That lead will be considered as an old lead, and the clients will feel that the distribution is not being done on the real time. So just to recall the whole process, I'm recalling the whole process, that what we are doing over here, we are generating the leads from Facebook, and we are segregating those leads depending upon various factors, that which client has the more volume, we will have to send the more leads to that client. We will have to see that if the leads state is matching the required state of the client. And the third thing is that we are not resending the lead, because that is illegal. We are sending a complete lead. The lead should must have the complete information that is needed, and we're not double assigning the lead. That can be a legal issue. And after that, what we are doing is we are sending the list to the sub account of that client. If that client has a sub account in our agency, if that client has their own CRM, so we are utilizing our development department as well. We are using the webhooks and mapping all the fields and sending over the leads to their own CRM on real time, within minutes, or after you can say within seconds after the generation of the of the lead. So this is what we are doing in this particular project. Thank you so much for watching.